Alright, I better get. Stop it. What's up, YouTube? Check this out. Today's video is gonna be a do-yourself coffee scrub for your face, because look, my face okay, has some serious damages, okay, and I don't know what to do with my skin. I don't know what works best, but I know I had to take care of it because I noticed a few changes on my skin. When I say changes, I mean wrinkles. And it's mostly because of the sun, as you can tell, I sunbathe. And by the way, I wanna sport my natural hair. Look, I'm brunette by the way, but this is my natural hair, like meaning no hair extensions. And so I'm gonna teach you a very easy coffee scrub. Coffee scrub. You're gonna need obviously coffee. So I got 1 tablespoon of coffee. I'll show you. Like so. You're gonna need a bowl where you're gonna do the mixture. See? 1 spoon of sugar, like so. See? And 1 spoon of olive oil. Okay. I'm gonna do this like here. We're gonna put all this together and make a beautiful mixture. There, see? And now we're gonna apply this to their face. So the coffee is good. This is a good exfoliating, and I will apply this in the bathroom because I don't want to mess it up here. So let's go. Come guys, check this out. What a mess! So glad that I came to the toilet to do this. Otherwise, this will be. So remember, for this is. Look at this. It's looking pretty cool. I love that color though. It looks super tan. Can't imagine. Smell good too. Well, it smells like coffee though. Okay.
I don't think so. So you gotta.
I love. Any difference? Feel fresh. Okay. All right. Tell you what. My skin feels soft, and because of the olive oil, it feels like smooth. Sorry. Kind of like smooth, and it actually does brighten your skin. Look, my skin is a little bit, and I guess it's because of the olive oil. The other option that you can do, if you don't have olive oil, you can do coconut butter, coconut oil. But since I am a total believer of olive oil properties, I use my olive oil because I think it's good. All right, so this is the result of do-yourself coffee scrub. So if you like this video, thumbs up, like it, and subscribe. Happy. I will see you tomorrow. All right, have a nice day. Try this coffee scrub. I'm gonna try this, and I don't know how often you had to do it, but it feels very soft and a lot brightened. Ooh, yeah, I feel pretty. All right, like and subscribe. Bye.